Hair regrowth through herbal follicular activation. Medical hair loss centres use a very limited form of hair loss treatment, such as the drug finasteride, which reduces male hormone levels. Unfortunately, male hormone levels are only one of many other factors that cause hair loss. Further problems with finasteride use include decreased sex drive in males and a slow therapeutic response time whereby it takes 6 to 12 months for visible results. Note that finasteride is not suggested for use in women because of possible side effects. Minoxidil is another medical hair loss treatment that only works temporarily. Once use stops, hair loss occurs again and often worse than before. Side effects of minoxidil include swelling of the face, blurred vision, chest pain, irregular heartbeat, rapid weight gain, and increased hair loss. Because there's so many different medical causes of hair loss, doctors often focus on treating the disease only. Unfortunately, these treatments usually do not regrow the patient's hair back, and this results in delayed treatment for the actual hair loss. At the Australian Hair Scalp Clinic, we regrow your hair through a totally non-invasive process called Herbal Follicular Activation. This involves both in-clinic and home-use treatments to stop excessive hair loss, clean and unblock scalp pores, then activate and nourish the hair follicles. Herbal follicular activation is much like turning your car key to start the engine. It actually ignites and activates the sluggish and dormant hair follicles by providing more oxygen and essential nutrients to the follicle base. This creates ideal conditions for new hair growth. Unlike pharmaceutical hair loss treatments that may result in serious health risks, our all-natural multi-therapeutic approach works both internally and externally to achieve optimum results. Our hair regrowth programs are recognised as the fastest and safest and most effective solutions for hair loss control and recovery. By combining centuries of Chinese herbal knowledge with modern science, we've created a safe, drug-free treatment that's suitable for men, women and children. After just 2 to 4 weeks, you'll achieve new hair regrowth at a microscopic level. After 2 months, you'll achieve visible new hair growth. Our treatment programs are for 8 months. This is the time period that we usually see the most dramatic results. Most of our clients continue on to further programs for even better results and also to maintain their newly grown hair.
I used the products 1 year ago and I'm so happy with the results. I now don't have a problem with hair loss. I would certainly recommend the 101 treatment process and products for those serious about hair regrowth.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm an alopecia sufferer for approximately 1 year. I've attended a specialist and they've tried to recover my symptoms with pharmaceutical medicines, but it was proven to be unsuccessful because I was still suffering from hair loss and shedding a lot of hair. And there was one point where I almost lost all of my hair. And after 3 to 4 months, I've gained about 80 to 90% of my hair back. And I recommend anybody who is suffering from alopecia to come down to the Australian Hair Clinic to have a trial.
He grew about 80% and I'm so happy, so I come to treatment on myself.
Congratulations on finding the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic with our all-natural treatments and incredibly fast results. We look forward to seeing you soon at our clinic in Chadstone's shopping centre, the fashion capital.